Hi there.
Hello?
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome! If you need help, just ask.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem.
I'm still learning where everything is.
Don't worry. The first day is always confusing.
That makes me feel better.
Soon you'll know everything.
I hope so.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Center, where learning English is simple, practical, and useful for real life. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike.
The conversation you just heard is something that happens every day.
Two people meeting for the first time.
Maybe at school,
Maybe at work.
or maybe in a new class.
And today we are learning daily English phrases for beginners.
Phrases you can start using immediately.
Simple phrases.
Natural phrases.
Real English.
Let's go back to the scene for a moment.
Emma started with "Hi there,"
That is a friendly greeting.
slightly more casual than "hello."
Then Jake said, "Nice to meet you."
This phrase is used when meeting someone for the first time.
Emma replied, "Nice to meet you too."
The word "to" means the same feeling.
Then Jake asked, "Are you new here?"
A very common question.
Especially in workplaces and schools.
Emma answered, "Today is my first day,"
Very simple English.
but very natural.
Then Jake said, "If you need help, just ask."
That phrase shows kindness,
It also makes people feel comfortable
and beginners should practice saying it.
because small phrases create real conversations.
Exactly.
And speaking of real-life conversations,
Let's move to another daily situation.
one that happens everywhere.
Coffee shops.
The natural meeting place for sleepy humans.
Very true.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What can I get for you today?
Can I get a latte, please?
Sure,
And I'll take a sandwich too.
no problem.
Thank you.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome.
It smells amazing in here.
Fresh coffee always smells good.
I agree.
That scene probably felt very familiar.
Because ordering drinks or food is a daily activity.
The first phrase Emma used was, "What can I get for you?"
A polite way to ask what someone wants to order.
Another version is, "What would you like?"
Jake replied, "Can I get a latte, please?"
The structure, "Can I get?" is extremely useful.
You can use it in many situations.
For example, "Can I get a coffee?"
Can I get a glass of water?
"Can I get some help?"
Same structure, different situations.
Jake also said, "I'll take a sandwich."
Native speakers often say, "I'll take," instead of "I want."
It sounds smoother and more natural.
Then Emma said, "Your order will be ready in a few minutes."
And Jake replied, "Great, thanks."
Short responses are very common in English.
Sometimes just 2 words are enough.
Like, "Sounds good."
No problem.
Of course.
You're welcome.
These phrases make conversations smooth.
Mike, I think daily English phrases are one of the most important things beginners can learn.
I completely agree.
Many students focus only on grammar.
Yes, they study grammar rules for hours.
But when they try to speak,
They suddenly become quiet.
exactly.
It's like their brain is searching for the perfect sentence.
And while they are searching,
The conversation moves on.
that happens to many learners.
But daily phrases solve that problem.
Because phrases are ready to use.
You don't need to build the sentence every time.
You already know the expression.
For example, imagine you walk into a cafe.
The barista looks at you and smiles.
You don't start thinking about grammar.
You simply say, "Good morning."
Or, can I get a coffee?
These phrases come naturally.
Exactly.
And that's why learning phrases is powerful.
They create instant communication.
I remember when I was learning Spanish.
Oh, really?
Yes,
What was the first phrase you learned?
honestly, the most important phrase.
Which one?
Where is the coffee? I had my priorities.
Coffee first, language later.
Exactly.
But that's actually a great example,
Why?
because you learned a useful phrase.
True.
And once you used it a few times,
It became natural.
that's the same process English learners need.
Learn useful phrases.
Repeat them.
Use them in real situations.
And slowly, confidence grows.
Confidence is a huge part of speaking English.
Absolutely.
Some learners know many words
But they are afraid to speak.
because they think they might make mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time.
Sometimes I say a sentence and think,
Wait, that didn't sound right.
yes,
But conversations continue anyway.
that's the important part.
Communication is more important than perfection.
I love that sentence.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Beginners should remember that.
Because perfection takes time.
But communication can start today.
With small phrases.
Like, nice to meet you.
How are you?
See you later.
Thank you.
These are simple phrases.
But they are used thousands of times every day.
And when learners master these phrases,
Conversations become easier.
also, daily phrases help you understand native speakers.
That's true.
Because native speakers repeat the same expressions.
Especially in casual conversations.
For example, people often say, no problem,
Or, sounds good.
or that makes sense.
These phrases appear everywhere.
In offices,
In shops.
in restaurants.
Even in text messages.
Very true.
Speaking of restaurants, I have a question.
Go ahead.
What phrase do you use most in cafes?
Probably, can I get a latte?
Classic choice.
What about you?
I usually say, "I'll take a cappuccino."
Fancy. Coffee vocabulary is also important English,
Very important.
especially in the morning.
Before coffee, my English is not very good.
Same here.
After coffee, suddenly I become fluent.
Coffee is the real English teacher. But jokes aside,
Daily repetition really works.
if you say a phrase 10 times,
It becomes easier.
if you say it 50 times,
It becomes natural.
and if you say it 100 times,
It becomes automatic.
exactly.
That's why listening to podcasts like this helps.
Because you hear the phrases many times,
Your brain becomes familiar with them.
and eventually you start using them yourself.
That's when real progress happens.
I always tell learners one simple rule.
What rule?
Don't just learn English,
Use English.
speak it,
Practice it.
repeat it.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Small daily practice creates big improvement.
And consistency is key.
Exactly.
A little practice every day is better than a lot once a week.
That's true for any skill.
Language, music, sports.
Everything improves with regular practice.
So if you are listening right now,
Try using one phrase today.
just one,
Maybe say good morning to someone,
or thank you.
or how are you?
These small steps build confidence.
And confidence builds fluency.